march in holy trust. Not with pride, not with our strength. Only mercy, only dust. We sing into the valley, and the darkness starts to break. For worship is our warfare. When we move for Yahweh's sake, the battle is yours, Yahweh. Yours alone, yours alone. We will praise, we will stand, we will not throw a stone. You go before, you fight for us, you shake the enemy's ground. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Let praise be the sound. I heard your voice and trembled, yet I choose to wait and see.